All right, guys. So we're back out here in Rosebud, Texas. We spent all last week shoveling dirt, um, putting in drainage for gutters that are going to be installed on this house, and then also we put in drainage for the French drain. This guy has had his house for probably about 20 years, and he's had issues over the last couple of years, the homeowner, where water would come up and sit right up here, up along his foundation. So water would come sit in his yard, and as you see, he's getting the siding replaced right now. Someone's working on that. But yeah, water damage did all of this. So we put in a French drain. So you got these connections for the gutters when the gutters get installed. But we put in a French drain, backfilled it with rocks, wrapped it and everything. So the water flow is going to go all the way down. You see there's more gutter connections right there and right there. Um, so yeah, we got one big drainage tube right here actually going all the way straight down. As you see, it's not finished. We'll have guys come out here. They'll be here in about 20 minutes to finish this part. But we got one going straight out here. You got French drains all right here. Another French drain, gutter connections. So we got about 80% done. Guys got to finish up this morning out here. Some areas right here need some more dirt. Same thing, French drain all around the house. Gutter connections, French drain. Another one right here. You got the drainage thing sticking out right there. Backfill, go finish filling in with dirt right here. Same thing we did over here. Got French drain. We got sand in here, got backfill with dirt. Same thing over here, last one. So yeah, the guys are about 80% done. We used a lot of this the last couple of days and all last week. But yeah, it's almost done. And then I'm gonna hop on the lawnmower and just cut this owner's grass for him so it's not an eyesore to the neighborhood. And that's about it. Yeah, we're almost done with this project out here.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thought I was done? Not yet. Here's another job. If you don't like concrete or you think it's too expensive, get flagstone. You can get some easy quicksand, spray it in there. It compounds all the joints, everything, and that's it. So here's something else. We did this out in Thorndale, Texas, about a week ago. Took my guys about a good 8 hours solid. So this is something cheaper than concrete. You can remove it a lot easier as well. So if you got a backyard patio area, this is something you can definitely do around out there. And these black mats right here that you see are called paver base panels. They make it very easy to lay this over granite and sand after you compact that in. And then you put your flagstone or your pavers, whatever you have on top of it, and your little joint sand, spray it in, sweep it in, and that's it. But yeah, this was another thing we do. And keep in mind, we are located in Central Texas. If you need anything, reach out. I'll just give my number, 512-507-0149. You guys check us out on
Man, I'm hungry. Alright guys, on a serious note, this is beef links. 120 calories for every two. No MSG, no nitrates, none of that shit. 6 grams of protein per piece. 100% beef as well, so you can beat that. TikTok search Texas Morgans. I got these available. I got chocolate as well. I got landscape equipment, beauty supplies, you name it, I got it. TikTok search Texas Morgans. Get these now.